if the ultimate ultra-luxury SUV wasn't about exploring new terrain, but about elevating the very concept of luxury to an almost unreal level? That's the statement behind the Mercedes Maybach VS680. In a world dominated by imposing behemoths like the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the Maybach approach isn't just to challenge, it's to conquer with a new kind of sophisticated, bespoke prowess. This isn't merely an SUV, it's the future of chauffeur-driven grandeur. Welcome back. Today, we're looking at what is essentially the zenith of the Mercedes Maybach GLS lineup. This is the ultra-luxury full-size SUV, a vehicle that takes the already sublime GLS and transforms it into a mobile first-class lounge. It matters because it proves luxury isn't about compromise. It's about having everything: space, capability, and an interior experience that rivals the finest private jets. Maybach is showing the world it's ready to challenge the very pinnacle of the automotive world by raising the bar on what personalized opulence truly means. The design is a masterclass in confident cinematic presence. The front end is dominated by the iconic upright Maybach grille, now available with a striking Night Series dark chrome finish for an even more imposing look. The body stance is wide, commanding, and undeniably elegant, sitting on massive available 23-inch multi-spoke wheels. The side profile is long and stately, often accentuated by exclusive two-tone paint schemes that visually lower its center of gravity. At the rear, clean lines and sophisticated LED lighting create a signature of substantial grace. This looks more like a luxury concept car meant for a premiere than something you'd see on the road. Open the door, and you are enveloped in a sanctuary designed as a first-class experience for rear passengers. The cabin is a universe of bespoke material quality, where nearly every surface is swathed in the finest Napa leather, from the seats to the ceiling and console. The rear compartment is the true masterpiece, featuring executive lounge seats with massage functions, extensive power adjustments, and unparalleled legroom. Optional features like a rear seat refrigerator with handcrafted champagne flute holders and folding tables transform it into a mobile boardroom or celebratory space. Technology is seamlessly integrated with a brilliant MBUX infotainment system, available rear seat entertainment screens, and a breathtaking Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system that makes every journey a private concert. The performance is about delivering immense, effortless power with sublime smoothness. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-litre V8 biturbo engine with a mild hybrid system, producing 550 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. This propels this substantial SUV from 0 to 60 mph in a claimed 4.6 seconds. But the magic is in the ride. The standard e-active body control suspension is a technological marvel. It uses cameras to scan the road ahead, proactively adjusting the dampers to literally iron out imperfections before the wheels ever reach them. Combined with rear axle steering for maneuverability, the sensation is not of driving over the road, but of gliding serenely above it. The Mercedes Maybach VS680 presents the ultimate vision for luxury travel. It's a statement that the highest form of automotive achievement is creating a bespoke, impervious sanctuary. It offers a glimpse into a future where every journey is an event defined by tranquility and absolute personalization, establishing a new benchmark that blends imposing SUV capability with limousine-level refinement. So, in the realm of the ultimate luxury SUV, what defines the pinnacle for you? The rugged, go-anywhere statement of a traditional flagship, or the utterly serene, bespoke, and passenger-first grandeur of the Maybach VS680? Let me know your take in the comments.